Welcome to the Science of Smart Grids, a technical guide on revolutionizing electrical distribution for modern electricians. The smart grid represents a major paradigm shift. Unlike the traditional centralized one-way flow, the smart grid enables bidirectional flow and digital visibility. It also incorporates self-healing capabilities to instantly reroute power during faults, a major improvement over manual response. Bidirectional energy flow is central to the smart grid. Modern distribution science handles reverse power flow through inverter intelligence, voltage regulation to manage localized spikes, and accurate net metering for energy tracking. Advanced Metering Infrastructure, or AMI, is the digital handshake. Smart meters are high-speed sensors providing granular data for grid balancing. Key features include remote disconnect, the last gasp message to signal outages, and power quality analysis. Integrating distributed energy resources is crucial. This includes solar PV, managing DC to AC conversion at the grid's edge. Energy storage is used for power arbitrage. EV charging uses vehicle-to-grid technology, turning cars into mobile batteries for stability. Real-time sensing utilizes IoT devices on lines to provide constant data on temperature and current. This allows for dynamic line rating. Rapid fault location uses smart fault indicators to pinpoint short circuits within meters, drastically cutting outage times. The digital substation upgrades legacy automation. The IEC 61850 standard replaces copper with fiber optics and process bus technology. Digital relays communicate via Ethernet, enabling software-defined logic and faster protective relaying. Microgrids and islanding provide local energy autonomy. Facilities can island from the main grid during blackouts. This requires grid-forming inverters, seamless transitions, and offers critical resiliency for sites like hospitals and data centers. Demand response science focuses on flattening the peak load curve. Smart grids use peak shaving by remotely adjusting smart appliances and charging stations, effectively managing demand during high-use periods. This shift creates many opportunities for electricians. These include smart panel retrofits, deploying EV charging networks, laying communication infrastructure like fiber backbones, and performing asset maintenance using data-driven predictive techniques. Smart grids deliver substantial energy efficiency gains. We see 85% faster outage restoration, a 40% improvement in line loss reduction, 65% increase in renewable hosting capacity, and 30% savings in maintenance costs.